Hey guys, this is Thomas, aka Swag Scribe. I'm Slim Scribe's older brother, and we're up here at Battalion Airsoft Arena. We're going to be up here just about every Sunday playing. His channel does a lot of the gameplay and everything else. My channel is going to be launching here today. We're going to be talking about guns, upgrades, all the cool stuff that everybody else is rocking up here at the battalion, as well as all the new stuff that's coming out in the industry. So check us out online, Swag Scribe and Slim Scribe.
Surrender, dude. Cover that corner, cover that corner. Somebody want to move up here? Move up there. Go, 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 go. Move up to that corner, move up to that corner. Move up to that corner. Move up to the corner. Move up right there, right there. Reloading. Shot you, buddy. I'm on your team.